folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Y'all see where I'm at? Y'all have seen this place a million times. Maryland International Raceway. We're out here to start testing and see what Shake and Bake can do on the new setup. We're about out here. We're gonna come out, we're gonna have some fun, we're gonna do what we do, we're gonna do some logs, we're gonna send them to Dave. Dave's gonna look at them, he's gonna fix some things, and we're just gonna go back and forth a little bit. That's what we do, folks. That's how it works. That's what Test and Tune's all about. Testing, and then you tune it, and then you test it, and then you tune it. That's what it's all about. So that's what we're here for tonight. We're out here to have some fun, and we're just gonna let her rip and see what happens.
Round 1.
All right, folks, here we go, round 1. Pretty good. Draggy says a 10.3. Couldn't get a log. I'm not sure what's going on there. But the Draggy says 10.3. I can't really see how fast. We'll get the ticket here in a second, the time slip. But yeah, something's up with my laptop or the cord. I got to see what's going on to see if I can get some logs for Dave. Thank you. Ooh, a 1.7 60-foot 4.5. Come on this way. 60 with me in it. Woo! We'll get to the ticket here in a second. .175 60 foot, 6.8 to the 8 at 105, 10.05 at 133.9. Woo! But it's hot, folks. DA is up into like 2800s. The grains are like 60 something. Yeah, it's a rough day out today. Yeah, 2,700, 98 grains, 52% humidity. It's a pretty rough day. We're gonna go back. We're gonna let the car cool down and see if we can't come up for another round. We may wait for the sun to go down and go in the dark. Hey folks, so one more thing about that run. I accidentally went in deep. So that's why the 60 foot was terrible and my ET was not probably where it should be. That should have been at least probably a 1.6, 60 foot and probably a 10.2, 10.3 run at least. So I didn't spin, it was just, I staged deep on accident, didn't do it on purpose. And when you stage deep, that's what happens. Your 60 foot hurts and then your final ET hurts. So we'll get back at it in the next round and see what happens.
Round 2.
Here we go, folks, round 2. Folks, yeah, another 10.3 by the draggy. Draggy gave me a 10.3. Get up here and see what the time slip got to say. We're getting a service the throttle position sensor or something, so we'll get up here and see what's going on. Car says 10.4, Draggy says 10.3. Let's see what the time slip says. 57. All right, thanks man, appreciate it. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's get over here and pull over. we're just gonna pull over for a sec, go over the slip. All right, 142 60 foot, 6.6 to the 8th at 107, 1035 at 133. All right, I think there's something going on with this throttle body issue. So we're gonna go back to the pits, look at the logs, package up the logs, send it to Dave, see what he thinks, and we'll kind of go from there. That was a good run for Shake and Bake though.
Several days later.
Alrighty folks, y'all know we're in the backyard. There's Bean. Hey Bean. Check him out, Bean. Good boy. You know, when we're outside, we got to get Bean in the show. But the main reason we're out here is to talk about the 2 runs that we made. The first run, like I said in the video earlier, one we deep staged, and that's really what threw everything off. So looking back, the draggy doesn't care about the light, doesn't care about the deep stage, it just cares about the quarter mile. So saying the draggy was faster than the time slip's not fair, because when you do deep stage, your 60 foot is hurt along with your ET is also hurt. So technically, if I wouldn't have deep staged, that probably would have been a 10-3 run. And to prove that fact is the next run where I didn't deep stage and you know, went in like I normally do, made the run, and we ran a what, 10-3. What'd the draggy say? 10-3. So that was just kind of an anomaly for the draggy. Anomaly for me. I don't normally deep stage. It's just I wasn't paying attention, and next thing I know, I was in deep. No jokes in the comments, please. But yeah, is what it is. So we did get some codes from the Granelli throttle body. You know, we got the little lightning bolt, checked the throttle body, and then I also got a P0222 code, which is throttle or throttle position sensor circuit B low or something like that. So yeah, Granelli's, you may have some issues. So I've had several people tell me they've had issues with those throttle bodies. So I'm working with HHP to figure out what we can do about it. Hopefully I can get a refund or possibly exchange it for something different. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. It's been a couple days since I talked to him. We'll see what happens with that. But because I bought it in March, right? And we all know I got proof. I didn't actually put it on the car until 2.5 weeks ago. So it is what it is. You know, whatever happens, happens. Just don't make that mistake. I do not suggest buying Granelli throttle bodies. The guy at HHP, he said they always go with, I think it's Nick Williams, but his is a 108, not a 105. So you may have to do some porting to match the 108, but he said they've never had any issues out of the Nick Williams ones. I've heard several people say good about the Blocks 105, BLOX, Blocks 105 millimeter throttle body. You know, like I said, we'll see what HHP is going to do for me with this throttle body, and we'll kind of go from there. But that sums up these 2 runs, and we're just going to call it a video until the next time, because we're going back out to the track again, this time with a stock 92 millimeter Hellcat throttle body. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, we're just gonna play it from there. So if you're stopping in for the first time, please check out the rest of the channel. If you like what's going on with the rest of the channel, do me them few things: like, subscribe, smash the bell, shoot me a comment, share it on social media. I'll definitely appreciate it. Shake and Bake, definitely appreciate it, because every red penny from YouTube goes right back into Shake and Bake. That's it for this one, folks. Till next time, adios.